Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get latest informative updates.
Hi everyone. I made this video so that I can answer you the questions in comments, since these answers cannot be understood till you can visualize, and many didn't understand even after replying to the comments. The first question was, why should I install these door edge guards to my car? And the answer is, let me show you the real example. Let us think that you have parked the car near to a wall or in the parking lot beside any car, or you have parked your car to some of these rods like this. So when someone, maybe your family member or your friend or children, suddenly opens the car directly to any wall or any rod, so at such cases this can protect your car door from dents and scratches. That's why you need to install these car door edges. The second question was, my car AC is not cooling properly. Is there any problem with this ECON button? The answer is yes, but it is not a problem of ECON button. It is a problem with the usage of this ECON button. You should concentrate with three buttons. That is, the first button, which is known as temperature control button, where the point has to be set to the coolness point. So if this point is somewhere at the different directions, then you will start getting heat, and even if you place this point here, then the coolness effect becomes very low. The second button is the blower speed. So whenever you are using this blower speed, you need to just switch on to the next blower, like number 1, 2 to again increase your blower speed, then 3, the 4 is like a turbo. And again, the best use of this button is for 2, when there is lot of heat outside. Then comes with the ECON button. This button should be only used during mild weather conditions. Mild weather conditions are like in winter or when there is very less summer. So to use this, you need to just start the AC and you should on this button. So this is off, and when it is in on, you are going to get this button. But this button will automatically cut off the AC operation for just maintaining the better fuel efficiency. But you are not going to get the right coolness, because it cuts off the coolness to give you a good mileage. So I recommend not to use this button in summers. You can use it, but only when you find that the car is giving you optimum coolness. इसलिए मैं आपको बोलना चाहता हूँ कि प्लीज इस बटन को यूज नहीं करना चाहिए, आपको कूलिंग इफेक्ट नहीं मिलेगा. सो बेटर स्विच ऑफ दिस बटन. The third question was, shall I change the infotainment system of Mahindra XUV500 W4 variant to touchscreen? I say yes, you can change this infotainment display to a touchscreen, but I do not recommend to change it, because you are going to lose the functioning controls of this SUV. This SUV comes with great functions like the CD option, the USB, the aux. Then you can also connect this system with your Android phones and iPhones. You can also synchronize the phone contacts to this unit. Also, you have other special features in which you will receive alert messages like the service reminders, the average fuel efficiency, and the distance how much you can cover with this diesel. And there are no alerts, but these types of alerts you are going to miss if you are going to change this infotainment system of W4 variant. So I better recommend you not to change this display, but you can go for sensors, like you can install a mirror sensor. Like, let me show you an example. Let me switch on. So I'm going to just use the reverse button, and you can get such type of alerts. And also you can place and display here the 4.3-inch display, or you can also place the display here or here, anywhere else, so that you can install a camera in the rear side and use it for display of camera what is behind the car. Since this is a very long car, you can use such type of screens or displays here. Or you can directly use an stylish screen to displays where even this SUV doesn't come with coin box, and you can use a stylish screen to this height here. The fourth question was, when I sit in the middle seats in Mahindra XUV500, the AC from these pillars doesn't work properly, so the cooling effect is very less in these. And so what is the solution? The solution is very simple, and I'm going to show you the live solution. I'm turning on the ignition and switch on the AC of Mahindra XUV500. So this is the total cooling. This is the AC button. So this 2 number is enough when you alone drive the car, and you should just switch off all the vents, even the backside vents, and you can only open these vents for only the driver cooling. But if even the other person is sitting in this seat, then you can open all these vents, but close all the vents at the back side too, and you get the optimum cooling for just the second number. And let us assume that you are sitting backside in the second row, and the cooling effect is very less compared to the front one. Then you should switch off the other one if you are only single at the back, and request the driver to even switch off only these 2 vents. But these people are going to get a better cooling efficiency from here and here, and even the middle person can enjoy the same cooling efficiency when he sits here. Also, if another person is sitting here, then the same thing, where all will enjoy the optimum cooling. And even now I can feel the cooling inside the SUV after switching off these two vents and switching all the four vents. If you are sitting in the second row and you are not getting cooling, ask your the driver to just increase the speed of the blower so that you can receive an optimum cooling effect from all the sides. Never think for the better fuel efficiency. Always switch off this ECON button. Never switch on this ECON button, and you can really enjoy sitting cool in this Mahindra XUV500. Hope guys I have answered you the questions in the right way, and please subscribe to our channel to get more latest informative updates. Please like and share. Also please comment if you need any other types of videos or you may have other types of doubts. And thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye.